see trees of green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, bright pleasant days and dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. I watch them on the faces of the people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. Then I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. I watch them on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear those babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever know. Then I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful